Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to download and install Zoom app on laptop and phone. So here, all you need to do is open up your browser. After you open up your browser, type in Zoom laptop. And once done um, typing that, you may click on the first link right here. So once you're here, click on right here, download 64 bit. There you go. Then after that, wait for it to stop downloading. There we go. It's almost done. Almost halfway. So it's about 121 MB. Then when it's done, click on it. After clicking on it, click on the Zoom install full. Click on that. Now it's installing the Zoom workspace on your laptop. And another way to do this is by using Nanite. So what is Nanite? So just type in right here, Nanite. There you go. Oopsie. Oopsie. There you go. As you can see, the installation was successful. And we're done. And here you can see right now, we have the our Zoom here on the laptop. Now we're gonna type in Nanite. Then after we type in the Nanite, click on that first link right there. And then right here, we need to find the Zoom. Zoom. So let's say we find the Zoom. There we go, message. Click on the Zoom. And then after clicking on that, click on Get Your Nanite. So what this does, it is the much more easier and faster way to download your Nanite. And so much more. There you go. There you go. Nanite install, preparing, setup. So this is a safe site, so don't worry. It will just get the app and then install it on your PC. There you go. It's already done. Okay, up to date. Then close it. So there you go. Now you have your Zoom on your laptop. Another way, you can use your Zoom on your laptop. Just click on that. Use Zoom on laptop right here. Now here it's gonna give you the requirements for the Zoom. Before you use the Zoom laptop, Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, make sure it meets the requirements of the Zoom. So right here we can see the requirements of the Zoom. Just click on the link. And here's the system requirements. There you go. Supported operating system. There you go. Here are all the supported operating systems, supporting table device and supported web browsers. So there you go. Now we're gonna move on to our phone version on how to download it. So yeah. So see you guys there. So now we're here at our phone. To download it on our phone, just click on search right here. Then after clicking on search, type in here Zoom. So once you are here, there's many Zoom apps, but we are gonna download this one right here, Zoom Workspace. So if you're guessing, if you're trying to know, when you're using iOS, just go to your iOS and type in Zoom, but you're gonna go to the apps, what do you call this, App Store in your iOS. Then once you've done that, just type in Zoom. You don't have to type in the Zoom Workspace at all. So now we are waiting for the installation. Let's wait for it. And bada bing, bada boom, we finished downloading. Then click open. Oopsie, sorry guys. Then click open. Then there you go. And as you can see, now it's been downloaded on our phone. So now we're here at the next part. So planning and scheduling Zoom meeting efficiently. So schedule your meeting, sign into Zoom web portal, navigate to meeting and select schedule a meeting. To begin setting up your session, define details and agenda, clearly outline the meeting topic, date, and time, enhancing clarity by including a detailed agenda in the description to set expectation, and integrate and invite. Leverage calendar integration with Outlook for Google to seamlessly send out invitation containing direct meeting links to all participants. Configure security, enable essential meeting options such as waiting rooms, passcodes, and participant controls to ensure a secure, organized environment. Prepare and practice. Before the meeting, test your audio and video connection and prepare all necessary materials to guarantee a smooth and professional flow. So best practice for Zoom meeting success, pre-meeting prep up, and then facilitate the engagement, begin prompt, manage participant muting to minimize distraction, and utilize features like breakout rooms for interactive discussions, follow-up actions, record meetings for those unavailable to attend, promptly share detailed notes and action items to ensure continuity and accountability, respect time, keep meetings consent and focus. Valuing everyone's time fosters a culture, efficiency, and maximize productivity for all involved. So there you go, guys. So there. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.